Right. So, playing Heavy Rain,
Time to look for John Shepard's grave.
trying to find a grave. Hmm. Oh, well, John Shepard, 1966, or 1967 to 1977. He was 10.
Origami figures.
That's one hell of a coincidence.
Hmm.
These flowers are fresh. Looks like someone's still tending the grave.
Oh, youngin'. That one I knew well.
You knew John Shepard?
I've worked this graveyard nearly all my life. I remember what happened. It was in 77. October, I think.
Oh,
Yeah, good for nothing hoodlums. Get the hell out of here! God! Beat it! You lousy no good brats! Come back when your fucking mother comes home from work!
He's drunk again. What are we gonna do? It's
drunk
pouring rain.
again.
We're gonna
Oh
get soaked
no.
if we spend a day outside.
Well, at least you won't get beat. Little rain never hurt nobody. Come on, let's go play. Bet you can't catch me!
Alright, bitch, come on.
Mom won't be back from work till later. She wouldn't let him treat us like this. John's right. We can't just stand here all day. Might as well go and play.
Alright, so basically, I don't know. Uh, why are my eyes watering? Looks like I'm crying, but I'm not. Not yet, at least. Shut up,
Move your
bitch.
ass! I'm waiting! Come on! Jeez, you ain't nothing but a...
Wanna punch that kid.
Bet you can't do that! Jeez, you ain't nothing but a slowpoke.
Shut up, bitch.
Come on, loser! What you doing? You're coming off!
Left shift. W left. Oh god. Um,
Yippee-ki-yay!
I don't think that's a slide, buddy. Um, but okay.
You don't need to do this. It's too hard for you.
No chance, I can do it all right. Just you watch.
Just doing the same thing over and over again. Okay. Simple.
John, wait for me.
Oh,
Get a move on.
oh God.
Come on, it's your turn. It's time to jump of death.
Son of a bitch. Just jump. Don't even care where you're going.
Wow. Let's play hide and seek. You go and count to 20 and try to find me, okay?
No.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
I'm doing it right.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Awesome. No cheating. Where do I go? What? What the fuck is happening? Okay. What?
Those cries. That's John's voice.
Where's it coming from? Oh.
John!
My foot. My foot is stuck.
Grandpa! Up the road there!
Crap. It ain't gonna work. What are we gonna
Just.
do?
Hang on, John! I'll get help. Just hang on.
Go on, hurry. I think the water's rising.
I'm hurrying.
Hmm.
I'll be right back.
But the poor kid never did find any help. And his brother drowned in that pipe full of rainwater.
The boy that lived, what happened to him?
Well, all I know is he got separated from his parents. I think he got adopted. Well, looks like a storm's coming. I guess I better be getting home.
Christ, what a horrible story. John Shepherd drowned in the rain while holding his brother's hand. Do you think he could be the Origami Killer?
Come on, let's get back in the car.
What do I get?
There's nothing else for us here. Let's go. Wait,
What's the matter?
that man over there.
Yeah?
It's Charles Kramer.
Gordy's father? What's he doing here?
He's putting flowers on John Shepherd's grave.
Interesting.
Paco Mendez. He's the guy who rented the Doc's apartment on Marble Street. Better be careful. He might be the killer.
No, I don't go up there. Alright. No. See, I know I gotta walk over here. Try and get in here. Where is it at? It's behind me.
Sorry, lady. Might have got sold.
I'm looking for Paco Mendez. Do you know where he is?
He's at his table over there. Does he know you?
Not yet, but I have to talk to him.
That's not possible. Mr. Mendez has asked not to be disturbed.
Bro,
Paco
it's right.
used to like this for a sexy.
Where is it? It's right there. I hate this. Why can't people just fucking me? S W S S W S W.
Oh, looks like I flunked flirt class. He hasn't even looked my way.
See, I don't know what I'm doing. Why is it keep restarting? Do I have to wait till she goes away? Don't know what I'm doing wrong, but son of a bitch. Okay. Son of a bitch.
I'm gonna have to rethink my strategy if I want to talk to Paco. Gotta find something to change. I've nothing against techno, trance, whatever music, but this stuff is really loud.
I mean, try again, I guess. Son of a bitch. I'm back. Don't understand what's happening, so
Guess it's time to sexy up my performance. All I need is a good place to change.
oh, we have to change. So where's the bathroom?
course. The restroom. It's private, girls only. It's that big red cube near the entrance.
Where? Dude, I don't see a restroom anywhere. Oh.
Time to play the sexy girl.
Hmm. Oh. Hmm. Okay. Is that enough? Oh. Okay. I guess if it works. Oh. That could work too, I guess. Strapped with the gag while I'm walking through content. Now let's try this again.
Hey, you! It's your lucky day, sweetheart. The boss wants to invite you to his table.
Hey, thanks for accepting my little invitation. You know around
Okay.
here, if I would've
This guy is disgusting.
My name's Paco. You?
Paco.
Madison. I'm Madison.
Well, you move, Marisa. You make me all hot under the collar.
somewhere more private.
Oh, sure, baby. Yeah, come with me.
This guy is truly amazing. Ugh. Everything's gonna be all right. Your plan? I know exactly what I'm doing. I go in, and talk to the gun, and I get out of there before I get into big trouble. Everything's gonna be all right. Everything is going to be all right.
So, welcome to my little kingdom.
Ew.
I'll take that.
No, you won't.
Get in the way of good things, sweet cheeks. So, show me what you can do. Take it all. Slowly. Take it all on.
Could we just talk first?
No, we don't need any more talking, baby. I all talked out. Now, show me what you can do.
80s Ray-Ban limited edition style. Those look absolutely disgusting.
I'm sorry. I think there's been a little misunderstanding. Look, I'll just go. No harm done. Another time.
Oh,
Thinking that you are misunderstood, honey. I'm tired of wasting my time. It's now or never, baby. And I never take never for an answer.
okay. Oh, okay. What is this music? Okay.
Think of something. There's got to be some way out of here. The lamp. If only I could find some way to grab it. Oh, I know.
What am I doing? Why am I playing this?
Baby, sweet cakes.
That's what I call kicking butt. You go, girl. Okay, Act 2. Let's hear Loverboy sing.
I can't grab the gun. That's unfortunate.
If you do that, I'll kill you. Got it?
Shit. What you want?
You rent an apartment on Marble Street. I want to know why.
An apartment? I don't know what you're talking about. Not bad for a chica, but you only hurt my feelings a little bit, mama. Ugh! You fucking bitch! I'm gonna kill you!
Boss? Is everything all right?
No, wait, we have a gun.